Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. The point of this video today is to show you how to fill out and be able to get a renewed registration card for your vehicle. And of course this is important for anybody driving around on the road. So I'm going to have the link in the description to this document, registration 151 form on the DMV website. So you can print that out and easily either send it in by mail or take it into the DMV or AAA, whichever, if you do have AAA service. So this is the application for replacement plates, stickers, and documents. So you can actually do more than replace just a registration card. And you can see here on section 2 where it says plate, stickers, and documents request. And these are all the different things you can actually get just with this one form of paperwork. So let's go ahead and get started up here at the top. Just filling this form out. You're going to need the vehicle license plate up there in the top left corner. And then in the middle there, you're going to need the make of the vehicle. And then on the right hand side, you're going to need the vehicle VIN number. Okay, and then section 1 here, registered owner of record. You're going to have to go ahead and put your true full name. And then go down to where it says the physical address or residence. And you just go ahead and put that information there, fill that section out. And then section 2 here, for my specific scenario, I needed a new registration card since I lost it. And section 3 there, you don't really have to fill out anything like that for the getting a new registration card. So I'm going to skip 4 as well and then come down to 5. And you can see certification, and you just go ahead and print your name, sign it there, and then that's basically all you need. And then you just go ahead and fill it, turn it into the DMV, and that's it. So it's that simple. I know it's basic, straightforward information, but for those who may not know, if it helps one person out with, maybe being caught up in this, it was totally worth making this video. So I do thank all of you for watching. Have a good day.